Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Analytics 4 tag from Shopify. Quick tutorial step. To uninstall the Google Analytics 4 tag from your Shopify store, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in the admin area, navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on Preferences under the online store menu. Scroll down until you find the Google Analytics section. If you see a field that contains your Google Analytics 4 measurement ID, take note of it. Next, remove any existing code or measurement ID within that field. After clearing the field, hit the Save button on the top right corner. To ensure the tag is completely uninstalled, go to Apps in the left sidebar. From there, check if you have any apps installed that could also be integrating Google Analytics. If you find such an app, click on its name to open the settings. Look for options related to Google Analytics within that app. If necessary, disable or remove the integration. After making all these adjustments, it's a good idea to clear your browser cache. This will help confirm that the changes have taken effect. Finally, you can verify that the Google Analytics 4 tag is no longer collecting data by checking your Google Analytics account. Log into your account and navigate to the real-time section. If you don't see any active users, it confirms the uninstallation was successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.